10 common mistakes that make your Android phone slow and how to fix them. Hi, welcome to the channel. Are you tired of working on a slow phone? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to cover 10 errors that are slowing down your device. Mistake number 1, ignoring software updates. We know it can be tempting to turn off phone software updates, but updates are critical to keeping your phone secure. To update your smartphone, just go to Settings and select System Update. Mistake number 2, not monitoring background processes. These drain your battery quickly and can even slow down your phone. To see which apps are running in the background, go to Settings, click on the battery option, and then click on the battery usage. From there, you can force stop any apps that are using too much battery. Mistake number 3, having too many widgets on your home screen. Although they provide convenience, they can slow down your phone and drain your phone battery quickly. So try to limit the number of in and remove the ones you don't need. Mistake number 4, running out of storage space can cause your phone to slow down significantly. Check your storage space regularly and delete any unnecessary files and apps. Mistake number 5, installing apps from unknown sources. This can expose your phone to viruses and other security issues. Install the app only from the Google Play Store. Mistake number 6, not clearing cache files. These can slow down your phone over time. To clear cache files, go to Settings, click on Application option, select an app, and then Storage button. From there, you can clear the cache. Mistake number 7, not using battery saving mode. Users who don't use battery saving mode have their phone slow down quickly. Battery saving mode helps to improve your battery life, and the smartphone also stays better, so use battery saving mode. Mistake number 8, too many notifications can annoy and slow down your phone. So limit notifications from certain apps. Mistake number 9, not restarting the phone. Restart your phone at least once a week. Mistake 10, charging the battery when it's close to zero. More people charge their phone when the battery is less than 10%. This habit is destructive to the battery life of smartphones. To avoid this, it is important to charge the phone when the battery is 20% remaining. By avoiding these 10 common mistakes, you can run your Android phone smoothly and efficiently. If you like the video, please like and share, comment, press the subscribe button of the channel. Be happy, and see you in the next video.